Hello, my name is Ernest Niza binti Zainal and I will present about infrared. What is infrared? Infrared, sometimes called infrared light, is electromagnetic radiation with wavelength longer than those of visible light. It is therefore invisible to the human eye. IR is generally understood to encompass wavelength from the nominal read edge of the visible spectrum around 700 nanometers to 1 millimeter. Some of the examples of uses of infrared light, such as in household appliances such as heat lamps, toaster, and remote controller, because it uses the infrared radiation to transmit heat or to transmit IR energy to IR receiver in order to communicate. Infrared sensing, such as in security cameras, infrared sensor, and night vision goggles. All objects on Earth emits IR radiation in the form of heat. This type of cameras and sensors can detect heat. Another example is in scientific instruments like IR spectrometer, IR CCD imaging, and weather satellites. The principle is used in various types of instruments that is used in many scientific fields such as chemistry, astronomy, and etc. Some of advantages of infrared radiation is it provides secure communication due to line of sight or point-to-point to mode of communication. The battery used in infrared devices lasts for long duration due to lower power consumption. It has response time faster than thermocouple. It provides good stability over time. No corrosion or oxidation can affect the accuracy of infrared sensor, and it delivers high repeatability. The disadvantage of infrared radiation is infrared frequencies are affected by hard objects, smoke, dust, sunlight, and fog, plus it doesn't work through walls. Infrared wave at high power can damage eyes. In monitor and control application can control only one device at one time. Moreover, it is difficult to control over things. It requires line of sight between transmitter and receiver to communicate. It supports lower rate data transmission compared to wired transmission. Uses of infrared in spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy or vibrational spectroscopy is the measurement of the interaction of infrared radiation with matter by absorption, emission, or reflection. It is used to study and identify chemical substances or functional groups in solid, liquid, or gaseous forms. The method or technique of infrared spectroscopy is conducted with an instrument called an infrared spectrometer or spectrophotometer, which produce an infrared spectrum.